Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny, here from thegodlyguide.com and youtube.com/destinygodly. So I wanted to come in quickly and give you a review of these NARS Creamy Radiant Concealers or Creamy Radiant Color Correctors. Now you guys may already know that I love the Creamy Radiant Concealers. My personal color is Almond and I love them. I love the texture, I love the payoff, the way they look on my skin. They're great in the under eye area because they don't let you look too dry or too creasy or anything like that. Now these Creamy Radiant color correctors are no different. They're amazing. The formula is amazing. The color, the payoff, I'm in love. I'm going to show you a quick portion of a video where I take the medium deep color, which is my personal favorite, and I mix it into the color that I use for my center color concealer, and how amazing and how natural it looks mixed into concealer, into my foundation. If you don't know how to use color corrector, I always recommend taking a little bit, mixing it into your concealer and playing around with it that way. Either that or taking a little bit on your beauty blender sponge and softly blending it over your foundation until you achieve the desired results. I'm going to show you both of those techniques in a later video, but right now let me show you how it looks mixed into my concealer. Guys, that's it. All information will be in the bottom bar, and again, I cannot recommend these enough. Absolutely amazing. Definitely one of my favorite products right now.